JGS just came out with a new update introducing the new character Kurourishi and Future's rework. So basically, this is update V point update version 1.76. Sorry if I mistake that. Anyways, let's get on in the showcase of this moveset. So the first skill is Festering Strikes. Pretty clean. And basically, you see this red bar. Every time I attack him, like the dummy, gives him damage, tick damage. And this move also has an R variant. Look. So that's it for the first move. The next move, 2, is Detach. Basically, your top right arm detaches, and you can reattach to pull enemies closer. Like if I do this, reattach, then I do this. A combo extender. And you can still use your skills even while your arm is inside him. And the next skill is Chokehold. Chokehold. So basically, you can extend your M1s with this. Like if I go 1, 2, 3. Oh, my bad. If I go 1, 2, 3. And this. Attract. Festering Strikes. Like that. That's the down slam. Next, the last move is Roach Swarm. It basically like sends out a swarm of roaches towards the enemy. This is very good because it also has a variant. 2 variants. An air variant where you mount the roaches and fly towards your opponent. And the other is the R variant where you spawn 2 roach swarms. And now the R move. The R move is insect trance. You summon these 2 insects, and what they do is if your opponent hits them, they get blinded and they also get poisoned a bit. And what's good is that you can transfer them to another person by doing chokehold. Like this. There we go. So if I attack the dummy whilst they are with him, the dummy will also get broke. The dummy will also get blinded. Now for the ultimate move, Parthenogenesis. What this basically does is make a clone of yourself. But wait, we're not done yet. So many of my clones, and they copy everything I do. But I'm hitting this dummy with Festering Strikes, and I do something like block. With Alpha Mark, this dummy, like transfer my things to him, Then when I block, they should start attacking him. Wait. There you go. They're all on him. The hard tech in this is actually trying to get your bugs onto the person. Now, and this move also has a variant. When you tap R, it feeds, and this tornado of roaches spawns. See? Tornado of roaches spawns. So that's basically it for this Kurourishi Showcase. I hope you guys liked this video, and stay awesome!